Do you have a missing tooth? You're not alone. Millions of Americans face this issue, impacting not just their smile, but also their overall oral health. Here's what you need to do, presented by ADHP. Why are my teeth shifting? Some common causes of teeth shifting include tooth loss, gum disease, aging, and bruxism. Understanding why teeth shift is just the first step. The next crucial action is figuring out how to prevent these problems. Ignoring them can lead to functional problems and even cause discomfort or pain. So, what proactive steps can you take to keep your teeth in their rightful places? Prevention is often the best course of action when it comes to dental health. Some preventative measures to take are dental checkups, a good oral hygiene, wearing a retainer, and consuming a healthy diet. Even so, preventive measures are not always enough, and you may need professional intervention to stop your teeth from shifting. Some professional solutions include dental implants, orthodontic treatment, and even a bite adjustment. The most effective way to stop teeth from shifting is to tackle the root cause, often a missing tooth. We highly recommend dental implants as a long-term solution. Dental implants not only fill the gap, but also offer a stable foundation for the adjacent teeth, preventing them from shifting into the empty space. Before rushing to the dentist, there are some home remedies you can try to alleviate the discomfort, like using over-the-counter medications, ibuprofen, or acetaminophen. You can use a cold compress to manage the dental pain. If these home remedies are not enough, and you feel persistent pain or experience infection, you might look for professional intervention. Ignoring a missing tooth may seem harmless, but in the short term, it can face several issues, like aesthetic concerns, speech difficulties, and dietary restrictions. Long-term consequences will include teeth shifting, jawbone deterioration, and increased risk of oral diseases. The longer you wait, the more complex and potentially costly a missing tooth can become. At ADHP, we specialize in dental implants, offering a permanent, effective solution to restore your smile and improve your overall oral health. Don't let a missing tooth hold you back. Take the first step toward a healthier, more confident you by scheduling a free consultation with us today.